Alright, so I have a website that I'm going to share with you today, and it's one that I really like. It's the website for the International Jugglers Association, and it's actually a very simple website to remember because it's just juggle.org. Now, this website is neat because it shows you how you can sign up to join the International Jugglers Association if you're interested in that, but it's also just a great resource for anyone who's interested in juggle or hoping to learn more about juggling or how to juggle. So, they have all sorts of information about what the IJA community is about what kind of events they have. There's a large gathering every year that's called the IJA Festival. And so you have here, you can click to learn about the festival and how to sign up, when and where it's going to be. Then they have a bunch of different drop-down menus here, which have a lot of neat information. So, for example, with programs, you can learn about where large juggling events are going to be, like the IJA Festival, or what people are doing for World Juggling Day coming up in a few months here. They also have resources to find other jugglers in your area. So there's a juggling community. You can find juggling groups in your area. They have resources on how to build to make your own juggling props, like clubs or balls to use. They also have, this one is a really useful one I'm going to click here, is Learn to Juggle. So if you're new to juggling and it's something you've never done before, they have some useful videos here that just teach you the very basics. And then it goes a little further with some beyond the basics. You can learn all sorts of different tricks. And if you go under e-juggle here, there's tutorials that have a whole wide range of a bunch of more advanced tricks as you get more into it. They also have some history about the IJA, as well as just history of juggling. For example, juggling, actually, the first references to it date back to drawings found in the walls of buildings in ancient Egypt. So it's been around for a long time. It's a really neat hobby. So, hope you enjoyed, and check out this website. It's really cool. Thank you.